Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here is Portie's Garage, home of DIY, mostly geared to automotive, but today I got a viewer request, a follow-up on a video I did about a year ago, last spring, late spring. I put crack sealer down on my driveway. I used 3 different products. My driveway is way too far gone, so I'm trying different things, trying to save it before I got to spend a lot of money and do any replacement. So the 3 products that I used was a latex crack filler, which was in a caulk tube, and you'll see if you go back and watch the video, we'll put a link. Put it down with a caulk tube, spread it around, we'll see how that did. Then I did a latexite fly stick that I got off of Amazon, and that is in a rope. You cut it to length, you push it down in a hole, you use a torch, you heat it up, it should fill it. I think that one did the best. We'll see when we take a look at that. And the last one was the quickest, easiest one to do, was a blacktop crack filler that I got at Home Depot. Probably about a gallon jug, got a nozzle on top, you cut it, you put it in, and I was actually able to spread it with a trowel. So let me get this turned around and I will show you how they did. But before I get down there, I'm gonna have Mr. Portie put a screenshot of the product sitting on the back of the truck here before I used them last year, so you can see what they were. So take a look for those products here. Let's get turned around and I'll show you what the driveway looks like. Don't laugh at me, I know it's in bad shape. All right, so here's the whole driveway. You can see where I put all the material. So let's start here with this lighter material. This is the caulking that I put down, hand for size reference. It stayed. I really didn't put it on many cracks. You can see here there's a crack. It's got dirt, it sank down, but it's not opening up. I guess that did all right. Those weren't big cracks. Now over here, this is the ply stick. This is that rope that you heated up. This was in a monster crack. And you can see here, the crack went from there to there. It filled it, it stayed, it's still bonding. That's definitely the best. Took a while to put in, but I would use that again. Then let's go down here. Here I spread a lot of that stuff around on different cracks. This is the Porable. And you can see where it's in the cracks, it's actually breaking up some down in here. Didn't stick that well. Let me go down a little further. These are more long longitudinal cracks. It did all right, it sank down. It's kind of holding up. So this was after a winter. And you can see, I mean, it's chipping off the aggregate, not sitting on there as I drive up with the tires. So if you don't have any cracks that are moving, this Porable is not bad. It actually spreads pretty good, holds aggregate in. But if you got larger cracks, you definitely want that ply stick that's up there. So if you like the content of this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to Portie's Garage. Hope this 1 year review, or almost a year after winter, video on the crack fillers helps you make a choice on how to save your driveway. Thanks for watching Portie's Garage.